Japan's ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, have ventured into these alien-like realms, uncovering bizarre species that leave even the most experienced scientists baffled. In this article, we explore 9 of the strangest creatures that have been discovered by these undersea expeditions. Prepare to dive deep and encounter the weird, the wonderful, and the truly bizarre. 9. Crinoids. Crinoids look like something you'd find in a garden rather than the ocean, with their delicate flower-like arms swaying in the current. But don't be fooled by appearances. These creatures are anything but plants. With their plant-like appearance, it's easy to mistake them for ocean flora, but crinoids are actually animals. They crawl and swim, using their long, graceful arms to move through the water. Crinoids, which belong to the class Crinoidea, have been around for nearly 480 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions. The footage of crinoids, recorded during a 2014 expedition off Sanriku at 495 meters, 1,624 feet, and another from the Nankai Trough at 1,147 meters, 3,763 feet, shows just how resilient these ancient sea creatures are. Eight, Paraphilopsis broweri. Paraphilopsis broweri is a tiny red jellyfish, measuring just 6 centimeters, 2.3 inches in diameter. But what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in spectacle. Found in Suruga Bay at a depth of 901 meters, 2,956 feet, this rare jellyfish has only been observed a handful of times, making it a true deep-sea enigma. Its ability to produce bioluminescent light is one of its most fascinating traits. When disturbed, Paraphilopsis broweri emits pulsating light, creating an eerie glow in the pitch-black waters. This glowing reaction is not just for show, it's a survival tactic. By releasing luminous material, the jellyfish confuses predators, giving it a chance to escape. The 7-armed octopus, Halophron atlanticus, has been seen preying on this elusive jellyfish, making the deep sea a place of light and danger. Seven, squat lobster, Shinkaya krasnieri. Found off the Nansei Islands at a depth of 1,005 meters, 3,297 feet, the squat lobster, Shinkaya krasnieri, thrives in one of the harshest environments on Earth, hydrothermal vents. These crustaceans rely on chemosynthetic bacteria to survive, living in environments where temperatures and conditions are extreme. Squat lobsters are not your average crustaceans. Unlike true lobsters, they have flat, elongated bodies and long tails that curl underneath. Despite being found in such remote and extreme environments, over 900 species of squat lobsters have been documented worldwide. These small but tough creatures have adapted to some of the most hostile environments on the planet, making them true deep-sea survivors. Six, Paractopus doflini. From the Satsuma Peninsula at 253 meters, 830 feet, the Paractopus doflini, or giant Pacific octopus, is a master of camouflage and stealth. While not much is known about this particular species, its relatives are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic their surroundings. These octopuses are solitary hunters, using their powerful arms to capture prey and their remarkable intelligence to outsmart predators. Imagine encountering such a creature in the vast darkness of the deep sea, and you'll understand why it's both fascinating and terrifying. And 105. Blunt-nosed six-gill shark. The blunt-nosed six-gill shark, Hexanchus grezius, is a prehistoric predator that has roamed the oceans for millions of years. Discovered near the Izu Island's Kuros Hole at 773 meters, 2,536 feet, these massive sharks can grow up to 6 meters, 20 feet long. With their sluggish demeanor, you might think they're slow, but don't be fooled. When it's time to hunt, these sharks can reach impressive speeds, catching their prey off guard. Known as one of the largest six-gill sharks, their origins date back over 200 million years, making them living fossils. Their diet varies based on region, and their presence in tropical and temperate waters worldwide shows their adaptability. But encountering one of these ancient giants in the deep dark sea is like stepping into a world long past. F4. Atollavenophany. Named for its crown-like shape, Atollavenophany, discovered in Sagami Bay at 652 meters, 2,139 feet, is a striking species of jellyfish. Its umbrella measures only 3 centimeters, but its glowing bioluminescent display is far more impressive. Like other deep-sea jellyfish, it uses its light-producing ability to distract and escape predators. When threatened, Atolla von Huffany emits a dazzling light show, attracting attention away from itself. This burglar alarm strategy is a brilliant way to survive in the deep sea, where one wrong move can mean becoming a meal for a larger predator. The 3. Headless chicken monster. One of the most bizarre creatures to grace the deep sea, the headless chicken monster, Enypniastes eximia, was found in Sagami Bay at 920 meters, 3,018 feet. This sea cucumber, which has earned its nickname due to its odd appearance, is known for its semi-translucent body and webbed swimming structures that help it glide through the water. Semi-translucent body and webbed swimming structures that help it glide through the water. Semi-translucent body and webbed swimming. Master of camouflage and stealth. Ranging from bright pink to reddish brown, this monster is not only a swimmer but also a fascinating feeder. After consuming nutrients, its transparent body allows you to see its internal organs in action. Truly a sight to behold. Imagine encountering such a creature in the vast darkness of the sea. You'll understand why it's both fascinating and terrifying. 2. Physonecta siphonophore. The physonect, discovered at 706 meters, 2,316 feet in Sagami Bay, is not a single creature but a colony of specialized organisms known as zooids. These zooids work together as a unified body, forming a siphonophore, a creature that defies typical animal classification. It's a prehistoric predator that has roamed the oceans for millions of years. Discovered near the Izu Islands of Rosso at 770. Each zooid plays a specific role, whether for feeding, reproduction, or swimming. Together, they form an organism that looks alien, glowing faintly as it drifts through the dark depths. Their gas-filled pneumatophores help with buoyancy, while their long stems house the zooids, making the Physonecta a floating colony of wonders. These sharks can reach impressive speeds, catching their prey off guard. Known as one of the largest six-gill sharks, their origins date back over 200 million years, making them living fossils.
Sinh tồn ông này là lý do sinh tồn trong rừng nhưng mang cả búa cả đinh gì rất mọi thứ.
But encountering one of these ancient giants in the deep dark sea is like stepping into a world long past. 1. Amphitratus. Last but not least, we come to Amphitratus, a gelatinous octopus species discovered at 771 meters, 2,530 feet around the Ogasawara Islands. This transparent, nearly invisible octopus, sometimes called the telescope octopus, is a master of disguise. With its colorless body and gelatinous form, it drifts undetected through the ocean depths. Amphitratus is still shrouded in mystery, with only 2 known species in the genus. Little is known about their behavior, but their ability to evade detection makes them some of the most elusive creatures in the deep sea. Like other deep sea jellyfish, it uses its light-producing ability to distract and escape predators. When threatened, Atolla von Huffany emits a dazzling light show, attracting attention away from itself. This burglar alarm strategy is a brilliant way to survive in the deep sea, where one wrong move can mean becoming a meal for a larger predator. The deep sea is a place where reality often feels stranger than fiction, and these 9 creatures are just a glimpse into the otherworldly ecosystems that thrive beneath the waves. If you enjoyed this dive into the bizarre and wonderful world of deep sea creatures, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fascinating discoveries from the world's oceans. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content, so hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Feel free to let me know if you need any more adjustments. This sea cucumber, which has earned its nickname due to its odd appearance, is known for its semi-translucent body.
The deep ocean remains one of the least explored frontiers on Earth. Despite its vastness, only a fraction has been uncovered, and each discovery adds more to the mystery. From strange, alien-like creatures to organisms that challenge our understanding of life, the deep sea holds secrets that fascinate scientists and adventurers alike. In this journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing creatures of the deep: bristleworms, 7-armed octopuses, and more. Let's dive into the abyss and uncover the mysteries that lie hidden beneath the waves. 1. Flotidae, bristleworms. The Flotidae, or bristleworms, thrive in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth, the Izu Ogasawara Trench, at an astounding depth of 6,462 meters, 21,201 feet. These segmented worms, with their tiny, bristly appendages, may seem unassuming, but they are perfectly designed for survival in the high-pressure, pitch-black world of the deep ocean. Navigating this harsh environment, bristleworms serve a vital role in marine ecosystems, feasting on detritus and decomposing organic matter. Though small, their resilience in the face of freezing temperatures and bone-crushing pressure makes them an intriguing focus for scientists, uncovering the secrets of life far below the sunlit surface.
Và nếu chỉ một mình Thành chỉ mong là cái kia một phần sai thôi.
Halophron atlanticus, 7-armed octopus. Meet Halophron atlanticus, the enigmatic 7-armed octopus, or as some call it, the blob octopus. Found at depths of 599 meters, 1,965 feet near the West Mariana Ridge, this creature defies expectations. Despite its misleading name, it actually has 8 arms with one cleverly hidden beneath its mantle. The largest specimen ever recorded stretched 3.5 meters, 11 feet, and weighed a whopping 75 kilograms, 165 pounds, making